Hi friends, my name is Ariona. Today I'm going to show you an amazing DIY lamp. Today I'm going to actually design this lamp with the skateboard. And you see just right on these picture sides, if you could see it, you have to cut them out, and when you want to put it, see this? When you want to put it on that little thing where the skateboard is, you could put it on a different one. So let's unbox this. And don't forget that there's no batteries. Okay. Yeah, let's get it out. And look at the back. Someone made a DIY lamp. Ooh. There's some stickers. And there's a pen. You see this and you see this. And if you want, you could do the same as this one. And this glitter thing from here, just right here, you could color in these photo heart things. Let's take this out. Whoa. So let's first put on the batteries. Let's see how big they are. How do you open the battery sign? So now I'm going to put the batteries in. I put it on and I put the cap on. Let's just put this on. So let's see it in the dark. Lights. And whoa, looks so nice and cute. I think when we decorate it, it will look more nice. And turn it on. Okay, now let's turn it off and decorate it. First, let's open this. So let's take these stencils out first. And then let's do the side part. This one out. This one, oh, they have stickers on the back because we want to put it over here. Okay, let's take the surfing board. Oops. At least we did break. Oh, and we already had the skateboard, but we need a spare. Okay, I'm gonna take it out. Whoa. These hairs look so pretty. Take them off. What is so cool? Let's take this stickers off. And the final part is off. And then take this off. And when you want to put another one, here's some steps when you put them. Okay, let's decorate it. I'm gonna decorate it as same as this one, but even more I decorate it. So let's do the hair extensions first because I'm dying to do the hair extensions. So I got these beautiful hair extensions. I got blue, purple. So these two are the swirly ones. And yellow and pink are the just straight ones. So with the unicorn, maybe I'll just start off with the hair. So on the back there's a stick and then you can just stick it over there. I'll stick on pink. Okay, it's so sticky. Wow. Okay, her beautiful hair. She looks cute, right? Aww. The yellow one. And then she looks adorable when I do this. And now let's put the swirly ones on. These are super sticky. Let's do the blue one. Let's put it just right here. Oh, her hair, she has real hair. Oh, she looks so pretty on the back too. What's the next thing? Let's put some of this on to her heart. On her legs. Go on. Now I'm gonna do the horn. I need some help by doing this one. Let's put the other one on. So cute. She's looking so pretty now. Now that I finished my unicorn, I put a lot of stickers. And inside there's a case where you can put your glitter glue. And tomorrow, maybe I'll do this one. Wait! On this, it has a sticker. When you want to put the sticker on the back, you just put it on. Time to switch off the light. She looks beautiful. But it's too bad we can't see the ice cream that well. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. And bye!